Hi everyone, welcome back to In the Outdoors. Now today we're going to be doing a review on the chickens. We have about 6. This is like the third or the fourth chicken farm video. They're a lot older now. The last one was like a month or two ago. And they're a lot bigger now. They're almost full size. Like 80% are full size. Maybe even 90. One of them even laid an egg. Not those are not their eggs. But yeah, I'm gonna show you around, see how they've grown, and show the chicken coop, and I'll tell you their names again. Some of you can't tell apart, but anyway, let's get into today's video. I just came back from like a 7-day, week-long vacation, and then one even before that, I was also a week. But the last vacation we went on, I recorded like the whole time basically, and so I did a lot of videos and edited. So please, it would really help me out a lot if you did these things or subscribed, or even hit the notification bell button. If you don't want to, that's fine. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Intro.
Make sure you hit that subscribe little dons button.
Now, before we continue, make sure to just look at this clip I just played a minute ago. Look how HDR that looks. That's 5.3K, and that's with the GoPro 11. That's one cool thing about it. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Alright, so first we start by just showing you these. These are solar panel lights. Some pollen on it, so it can't get that much light. But there's one that's usually on. Me too, buddy, me too. But there's one that's usually on, like this one. You can see it from way up there. See it there? And just come off of this. It's pretty easy. There's another door on the other side of like the house area. This is the run. And there's another door that you could shut from outside or inside, so they can't exit through the facilities. Whatever you could call it. You feed them these food. It's very healthy for them, and their original food and water. But the eggs in there, it's like a starter egg. It's not an actual real egg. It's like basically a messed up one. So it's not actually a true egg yet. Here are all of them. See them? Man, it's smaller last time I seen it. Right here. Charlie, stop.
That's me. Let me in there, please. I want to eat all them chimkins. I'm hungry.
No, dude, you can't do that. Dude, why? Those are pets. Don't eat them. What are you thinking? Dog. Alright, so I'm going to tell you their names and show you them. Alright, so let's start with mine. I have 2, my brother has 2, my mom has 1, and my dad has 1. And, Alright, so this one's name is Baki. This is one of mine. And it's an Easter egger. It lays blue eggs.
Food, please.
Say hi, buddy. It's my favorite chicken. It's a pretty nice one. And my other one is one of the yellowish white ones. Its name is macaw. Because it's like a bird thing. It's like a bird. And the smaller white one's named macaw. And the bigger white one, which I'm pretty sure I'm holding right now, is my brother's chicken, and it's Nugget. My other brother's chicken is named, basically looks like a hawk, and it used to be the biggest. Now it's actually one of the smallest, one of the smaller 3. And its name is Minshew, like the football player back those years ago. This is Minshew. So yeah, that's mine. That's my brother's chickens I showed you. And then now this is Elizabeth, my mom's chicken. It's pretty nice. And it's like a week younger, 3 days younger. We think it laid the egg, or Baki did. our Easter egg, which is kind of bluish eggs. They're not that blue. We'll be able to tell later. It probably wasn't that one though. It would have looked a little different, I think. But so yeah, that was Elizabeth, one of the nicest ones. Chickens are all not that nice. They're not that friendly, I should say. This is Mando, the rudest little one. It's pretty small too. It's actually the smallest. Here, buddy. Oh no, you escaped. It's fine. It's fine.
What the is going on out there?
Okay, buddy. You need to chill, bud. My bad. I need to tell you guys something. So my dog's chasing him around. One of them, it's fine. One of them just flew out. So he just flew from the ground all the way out here, and he thinks my dog can still get him when he's in an enclosed garden. All right, let's go grab him and bring him back to the coop. It's the last chicken, and he just flew off. Come on. Took a minute, but I finally got Mando, my dad's chicken. Right there. There's some pumpkins starting to grow in here. But, look at my puppy there. Dog, he's like, what's going on? I want to know. Yeah, so this is Mando, one of the smallest ones. My dad doesn't really pet him that much or play with him, which chickens aren't that cuddly, so I wouldn't do that. Maybe a little bit when they're young. But yeah, he's at least tame, which is fine. All of them aren't that tame, to be honest, but yeah. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. That'll do it for today's video. And that'll do. You hungry, buddy? You can't eat. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you.